Hi, in this video we are going to see about CA Foundation course. So many people asked me, sir, tell me about CA Foundation course. We are now in 12th standard or 11th standard, etc. Now if you want to do CA immediately after your 12th standard, you have to register for CA Foundation course. To start registration process, it's not necessary that you should have completed your 12th. It is enough that if you completed your 10th. So if you have 10th mark sheet in your hand, and you should have appeared for your 12th examination. So once you appeared for your 12th standard examination, okay, you can register for CA course. This is the point number 1 step. And if you want to know about CA Foundation course in entirety, watch this video in full. Okay, now so you can get more information about CA Foundation course in icai.org, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India website, icai.org. They will give more information. Okay, that is a mother body, educational body, as well as it's a body for members also. I am going to give the overview of CA Foundation course. Okay, now so exam pattern. See, before a CA Foundation, it's called CPT, Common Proficiency Test. Now it is called CA Foundation. Now CA Foundation has 4 papers. First is accounts. Okay, what is that? Accounts, which is already there in your 12th standard. See, some people would have chosen the commerce group. Some people are coming from, say, science group. So for you people, accounts is something new. Okay, for commerce people, is almost same. And it's called Principles and Practice of Accounting. This is 100 marks paper. It's totally a descriptive paper. So first is accounts paper. Accounts paper is called as Principles and Practices of Accounting, which is 100 marks syllabus, 100 marks paper. It's full of descriptive. Then second paper is law. We call this as business law and correspondence. Okay, now in this law paper is 60 marks, and correspondence, okay, that is it's like English, correspondence and reporting we used to call. Basically it's like a English and communication, etc. So that paper is 40 marks. Both are descriptive. 60 plus 40, both are descriptive. In first two paper there is nothing called negative marks. Okay, if you write, you will get marks. If you write wrong answer, there is no negative markings. But for paper number 3 and paper number 4, you have negative markings. Okay, and those two papers are objective type papers, that is MCQ, multiple choice questions. So you have to shade the circle. OMR sheet will be given to you. You have to shade the circle. Okay, that third paper is what? Mathematics, business maths, logical reasoning, statistics. There are 3 things involved in that. Business maths will come for 40 marks, that is pure maths is 40 marks. Then logical reasoning you have 20 marks, statistics you have 40 marks. So this is the breakup of that syllabus. Okay, now even though if you don't have that maths background, you can still pass with some basic knowledge in logical reasoning and statistics. Most of the students will get through in mathematics only because of this 60 marks. Okay, 40 plus 20 is there, no, with that. But yes, with maths background you can score even better. Then next is economics. So here we will be studying microeconomics. This economics paper is consist of 2 parts: business economics and business and commercial knowledge. There are 2 parts. Business commercial knowledge is 1 part, and business economics in another part. So business economics is 60 marks, and that BCK is 40 marks. So here also you have negative marks. Okay, see, BCK is full of like your commerce, advanced commerce. In your 12th standard, whatever commerce you studied, here you will be studying in advanced level. And economics, whatever you studied in your 12th standard, little advanced level. Okay, so this is what your CA Foundation subjects all about. Then coming to registration. If you want to write November examination, you have to register before June 30th. Because CA Foundation will happen 2 times in a year. One is November month, another one is May month. So November 10th and May 10th is the examination, and the results of November month will be announced in the first week of February, and for the results in May month it will be announced in first week of August. This is the thing. In future they may announce little early also. The results may be announced little early. Now for November examination, last date for registration is June. See, you cannot write after 12th standard, you cannot write immediately in that May or June month. It is not possible, because previously in CPT route it is possible, because CPT 2 months preparation is enough, but for foundation minimum 4 months after your 12th standard you need preparation. Now so you have to write only in the month of, so if you are passing, if you are writing your 12th standard say in the month of March or April of that year, you cannot write that immediate May or June examination. You have to write only in the month of you can write only in the month of November. Okay, now and same thing, like if you are writing in the month of, if you want to plan to write the examination in the month of say May, the last date of registration is December. So this is the cutoff. So December 31st you have to register for which examination? May examination. Okay. So for example, if you are going to write in May 2021, then you have to register before 31st December 2020. And if you are going to write in say November 2021, you have to register before June 30th of 2021. Okay. Now, sir, how much cost this CA foundation will take? CA foundation will take for registration somewhere around 9,800. So 9,800 rupees for registration, and this includes book fees also. ICI will send you books through courier, and for examination another 1,500 rupees you have to pay before applying for examination. You have to apply in the month of August for examination. So they will open the window in the August month. You have to apply during that month. So they will say a little extension also with late fees, etc. That you have to see ICI's website. So hope I have clarified many of your doubts. So another thing, is there any exemption if I get many good marks in CA foundation one paper? Okay, for example, for see, in CA inter and CA final we have something called exemption. If you score 60% in one subject, and if you pass one group, you need not write that subject again. Even if you are failing in some other subject, this subject which you have got exemption, you will not write again. But the CA foundation, there is nothing called exemption. For example, you have 4 subjects, okay? Accounts, law, mathematics, economics, okay? If any of in this, for example, economics is very easy, okay? Economics and BCK, everyone will score beyond 60. Many students, okay? Then maths, it's very difficult for people. Accounts, it's easy comparatively. Law is something, no, it's new to you. So in business maths and law, people generally will get less marks. In accounts and economics, people used to get high marks. So there is nothing called exemption here. That means if I score 60 plus, I may not write again. Nothing like that. You have to get pass in all the subjects. Okay. So what is the marks for passing? Each subject individually you should get 40 marks, and overall your percentage should be 50 marks. That means 400 marks, 100, 100, 100, 100, 400 marks examination should get 200 minimum, and each subject you should get 40. That means in some subject you should get 60. Okay, if you are going to get 40 in one subject. Okay, so passing is also important. Getting that overall average, that's called aggregate, is also important. This is marks per se is concerned. Okay, then you cannot write separately. If you are going to write CA foundation, you have to take all the 4 papers at one time. Okay, because I have heard from international courses that they can take up examination separately, papers wise. Here it's not possible. Okay, in CA inter, group wise we can take. CA final also group wise we can take, but paper wise and all you cannot write. Okay, so hope this information is helpful for you. If you like this video, then hit a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Pass it to your friends also, share with your friends also.